Good morning to everyone. This is we like to discuss about this particular video, VBA part. VBA, what is the purpose of VBA, and what is the use of VBA, and where we can use it, how we can use it, when did you can use it, all those stuff we are going to come across from this particular video. And you saw already some few videos, like you'll get some templates, like only those templates that I'm using only three component, that is a label, text box and command button. Now I will show you all together, all the control, including those three plus radio button, checkbox, combo box, list box, and spin button, images, so many other stuff they have it. I'm using all together. I can show one small template, how to make those template to implement your VBA applications. Even that template, you can go for invoice also, invoice template or payroll template or payslip template or balance sheet template or purchase order, sales order, purchase return, sales return, anything. Even attendance, even attendance, employee salaries, whatever format, whatever applications you want to maintain, based on that you can able to occupy the particular template. That depend on you. Depend on you, you can make that calculations, how you are going to make it. Okay, now I start from the beginning. How you can how you can able to open that VBA means, first Excel. There are three layer we have it: Excel, then macro, and final is a VBA. If after that VBA we have to call macro, and macro we have to assign Excel. That is a normal life cycle. Let me first start with the VBA part. What is the macro view macro, and here I mentioned all control template, and just click on create. You'll get it as a macro screen, and technical view is a macro, but non-technical point of view we call this module. That is a module, nothing but macro. And now this, look at here down, we can see here this Excel, this is a macro, and final we have to open VBA. Go to insert user form. This is a VBA part. Using this to make the template. How you want to maintain the template from the applications or from the tool or from the GUI, wherever you want, you can able to access. Now using this a customize, how you want to manipulate, you can manipulate. This is a tool actually. If you suppose sometime by default this toolbox not present, mean don't get confused. You can picking from here. There's a toolbox something. Even property, even this property also. A toolbox mean all the control, but so many controls they have it, but we like to use always 7 control. I list out label, text box, command button, checkbox, option button, combo box, list box. Again repeating you: label, text box, command button, checkbox, option button, combo box, list box. Total 5. Apart from so many other stuff that is not much important, but using this video, using these 7 control, how to make one small template. Let me go for label. I am dragging label, just heading and our reference purpose, I'll make it. And if you by default label 1, you can change from the property as a caption, or you can change from here also. Only slightly, don't double click it, slightly, only one click, it an editable. Now here I make as a employee information system, like that I make it. Next caption, whether change from here, whether change from there also, anywhere you can modify. Next to font, and font means font color, size, the background, everything. Now I choose the Times Roman and bold and italic and click OK. Now I'll make little whatever adjustment, whatever creativity you wanted, you can create it. Next, like 4 color palette, red color, like this I done that. Headings done it. Now I'm using some few controls. Click on here. Now I make it like label. First I'll make as a employee ID. Next, opposite we should use typing employee ID. I can keep on text box like this. Now this is a label, mean just a question. Question mean what data, what kind of data you want to writing on the text box. That's a question for label. And text box mean our input box. We are typing our input data. Like if you every day, if you, sorry, every time if you keep on dragging the label and dragging the text box, it will take long time to get finished the template. If you want short row means control means select all. Control you press from the keyboard control and select multiple control you want, you can select it. Control C and control V. That mean the shortcut. Control C mean copy, control V mean paste. Now just copied, and now we move on to the nearest locations. Again I'm changing here, where from here or from property you can modify. Next is the employee name, and second is the gender. Whether you can modify from caption also, for property also. Gender, the gender is not a text box, no, remove it from the keyboard and press delete. Gender, this is the option button, this is a male or female, no, this is option button. You can modify what name you want it, you can reduce also whatever you want it. Now again if you want this copy paste, you can copy paste also, or if you want drag from the property also, you can drag it. And the female, little we can increase it. Again I'm copy, control C and control V. Gender, okay. Next I like to use the department, and department also text box, that is I'm using is a combo box. This is a drop down list I'm using like that. How to fill the data I'll tell you. Let me finish the designs. And after combo box, now you can make us address. Address I kept is I remove from the keyboard, delete that button. I want to use list box. There's some big boxes, list box, whatever address you want you can adjust the list of data. And next you want it contact number, that means mobile number. Next email ID, like that you want. Now label, text box, or option checkbox is pending. I'll make employee, no, I make loan. What kind of loan you want to apply, you can apply it. Loan process, loan was not text box, is a checkbox. Now multiple tick options, like you can modify, like first I want a house loan, a little I can reduce it. Again I'm copying, control C, control V. And second loan, car loan. And third one, education loan. Education loan, total we have 4 loans we kept. I said just now, this video what are things we are going to learn means label, text box, command button, checkbox, option button, combo box, list box. Okay, now this are all the labels, everything label question. This is a text box 1, text box 2, option button 1, option button 2, combo box 1, list box 1, again text box, again checkbox 1. How I know about the name means see the property. Here whatever highlight, no, it will show the name here. Whatever highlighting, like if I want to know about house loan, what is the field name, we like to go see the property, like that. And now I want to make load Excel. After filling all the record goes to load Excel. Like I'm making one. I'll make a submit or whatever name you wanted, you can keep it. Okay, now first you want the first thing, we want to fill some data, because combo box and list box, no, we after running the template we can't type it, because these two after running the template we have to choose from the list. That means before running the template, first we have to load some items. Okay, and these two, if you want to add something, see, outside double click it. Where's the cursor is blinking? Now this is not a click event. Initialize. Remove the click only. INITIALIZA. That is the initialize. Now started. Comb box one dot add item. And what is the first comb box means what? Department, I guess. Department address. Department. I'll make like purchase department. Like how many you wanted, you can keep it. Com box one dot only one, not like 1 2 3 4, only one box list of item. More people are doing the mistake like that. Com box one, com box two. Here only one com box adding n number of items. Payment. Now I want three things, just I kept. Next address is a list box. And behalf of com box one, make list box one. Add item. This is address. Whatever you want, you can do it. Like that. How many items you want? If you want type, you can type, or you can copy paste. You can copy paste also. Now RT Nagar, RR Nagar, Indra Nagar, Vasant Nagar, Sanjay Nagar, Holy Nagar, sorry, Holy Cross, Madiwala, Bomanahalli, Marathali. Like this I done it. Like that I done it. If you want to check whether the item will be added, means this is a execution or F5 from the keyboard function F5. Hit it, look at. Now list of item, department and list of items. And how we can differentiate department, the comb box and list box? No, comb box we can choose any one item only, but list box we can see multiple items. Like that. That's the different meaning. Now this data will filled. Next we like to directly start from record goes to database only, I mean Excel only. Let me first, we like to add some heading from the sheet 1 or sheet 2 or where you want to keep it, you can keep it. Employee ID, employee name, gender, I guess, gender, department, address, gender, address, mobile number, email, loan, mobile number, email, loan. Like that. Now I want a little something increase the size also, we can increase it, depend on that. But through to program also we have that increase the size, but we can do manually also. This better time for us. Like that I'll make it. And next we like to start. Okay, we like to start like load Excel. Double click it, and where's the cursor is blinking, we start directly there only. Again dim as long. Dim is a dimension to declare variable, we call this. As variable can be anything, as long means that Excel data has as it is. How long you want to insert A, B, C, D, E, F from the Excel up to us. That's the long is a data type. And where you can store means sheet 1 or sheet 2. I want to store sheet 2, should be activated, means should be available. Now we have one function A equal to worksheet function dot count A. We are counting from the cell like how many. 1 minute. Now this line A is a variable which will declare top. Worksheet function again keyword dot count A. We want to counting from the sheet. How starting from where? A colon A means starting from, look at here. What is A colon A means? Start from this also a column also a row also a, that is a column a plus 1 mean increment 1 by 1 row. So first record we inserted mean first row will be so storing. As soon as click on the second record, it will come to second row automatically. Automatically they won't come because of one, it will come automatic next rows, like that it will come. Next, and cells a comma first cell dot value equal to text box 1 dot text. That means text box 1 means our employee id, this one text box 1, this employee goes to cell a numbers a1, this is a1. Like this we can go for cells a comma 2 dot value equal to text box 2 dot text. That means text box 2 is the employee name, goes to text box 2. And third one, like gender, we need the option male and female. We have condition, we have to check what kind of condition means. Give some gap also, no problem. If option button 1 dot value, then now cells a comma 3 dot value equal to male, and else means cells a comma 3 value female. uh, 1 minute, I'll come. Sorry. That case is like in else part we have two options, we have it cell a comma 3, because why we kept the three numbers means we have that option. Yeah, option button 1 also, if we choose the male it will go to cell number 3, even female also go to cell number 3. Yes, yeah, that's a question like uh, employee id 1 and employee name is a 2. Option 1 is male or female, like because two only one records but two addresses. Yes, 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 exactly. One address and two value, that's why I kept 3 3, like we can keep it. As soon as after done it, yeah, after done it, it will come end if. uh, yes. That mail process, like once as soon as done the mail process, that address goes to third only. Next is like combo box. That as it is like if you close that if condition, uh, if we close if only, it will, if it's wherever start if, we have to wind up end if also. Yes. Com box for like I guess department, I guess. Yeah, value equal to like combo box 1 dot value. um Text box 1 means like we should type actually. Yeah, we should type because every applications like, let me talk 1 minute. Every application we have that username and password or some other application, we should type it. Hmm? Mm. Uh, 1 minute, be online. I'll come within 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, yes. I'll come within 15 minutes. Just be online. I'll come and join with you. Hello, can you hear me? Sorry. We'll wind up it on some few options will be there. No, we'll wind up it. No problem. Chroma box. See, I said only one day request. No, I said just wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Correct. Okay, as soon as within 12, I'll wind up it. Now it's 11:40. No, within 12, I'll wind up it. No problem. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, 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 okay. I'll do it. I'll do it. என்னது இதெல்லாம் கையில வாங்கக்கூடாது. Yeah, I'm agree that we have that text box 1, text box 2, option 1, option 2, Chrome box 1, we done it. Text box min dot text. Yeah, text box 1 dot text mean what we fill it. Correct. What we can fill, that's why we are making dot text. Dot value means like what already data available, we are from the list we are going to select. Yes, 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 from the list. Yes, yes. Yeah, from the list we are going to select it. Yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, fine, no problem, no problem. Uh, yeah, we done it. Cell combox 1 dot value. Dot value means some data already they have it. From the list we are going to select. Sir, okay. It's not like that. Text mean we are going to fill the data. Value mean whatever data value they have it from the list, we are going to select it. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Next, cells a comma 5 dot value equal to list box 1 dot value. This counted now. First ID is our number 1, employee name is a number 2, gender number 3, department number 4, address number 5. Like that we have to count. List box 1, no, yes, done it. Mobile number 3 and email ID 4. The same process only. Like cells, cell a comma cell a comma 6 dot value. Yes, text box 2 3 is there, 2 is already given dot text, and cells a comma 7 dot value. Text box 1 2 3 4 dot text. Text box 3 is the mobile number, text box 4 is the email ID. Yes. Okay, no problem. Okay. And now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, now 8. 7, yeah. Now 8, 8 mean little we have some option, because 8 mean checkbox. Now we have 3 option. Checkbox 1, checkbox 2, checkbox 3. Yes. Now if checkbox 1 dot value and checkbox 2 dot value and checkbox 3 dot value, then and cells a comma 8 dot value equal to now first one house loan, uh, house loan comma uh, car loan and house loan, car loan and education loan. Yes. Yeah, checkbox 1 dot value, checkbox 2 value, checkbox 3 dot 3 checkboxes checked means you got it. Cell a comma 8 dot value equal to house loan comma car loan and education loan. Now else if checkbox 1 dot value and checkbox 2 dot value, then cells a comma 8 dot value equal to house loan and car loan. Yes, if three things all together, two things only two. Now if you want copy paste, you can copy paste also. Okay. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 and 1 3 now, and education loan. Yeah, let it be 8 only the item will be changed. No. Yes, 1 2 3 1 2 1 3 now 2 3. Yeah, 2 and 3. Now 2 3 means that's a car loan and education loan. Yes. House loan and education. House car education, house car 1 2 1 3 house education, now car education 1 2 3 1 2 1 3 2 3 now only one. Now if you want type, you can type also, or if you want you can housing loan 2 and car loan 1 2 3 house loan, car loan and education loan. Yes, everything are 1 2 3. Yes, now final is the end if. Okay, done it. Now done, we have to have a look. Now that VBA is completed, the formula done it. Let me, I said no, the VBA we have to call macro, then macro we have to assign Excel. Now this macro technical point of view, I said is a module. Let's click on the module. From here we have to type user form 1 dot show. Okay, next in Excel we want to keep one shape. Yes, you drag something. Yeah, I drag some shape. Where I want, you can drawing the shape like this. And if you want some more graphics things, you can fill the color and whatever it is. If you want more thing, now right click, edit text. You can keep it like something I want to keep it employee data. Now this I want to make centralized. Go to the home, Yes, centralized. Now right click on here. We have the see assign macro. Now we can come to now Excel. From Excel go to the macro. From macro go to the VBA. Three tier we have it. Now assign macro and assign macro and click on all control template. Yes, all control template and click OK. Now as soon as hit it, the form get opens. Look at here. Now from the Excel as soon as clicking, it will go to the macro. It will come here. See this, come here, all control, this is the name of the macro. From here we call user form. That's why after hit the button, it will come to the macro. From macro it will go to the VBA. Understood? Yes. Now as soon as hit it, it will come. Now we have to make the entry. Let me see how the data will be going. I want whatever I want, education or something. Click it, look at, perfect. The record come to, yeah, choose the house on education. It will come, choose, depend on that it will come. I'll make more than one more entry. If you want, you can keep it clear button also. That is come to next video. I can put on the clear video. Now just tell me, have a look here. It will come this. Based on that, it will bring it. Now it's working perfectly. I make one more entry. Okay, then yeah, and female sales RR Nagar. And here mugilin@gmail.com. I want only education loan. Depend on that, data will be working like this. Got it? I hope you are like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Click the bell comment and leave your comments. Just be based on your comments only, you can improve our technical stuff and everything like. Thank you.